Aaron, the first tab in the sheet is about background on the burn down chart. I got it right out of Wikipedia. So you should be able to get it directly. I have the link in there if you want to read it from Wikipedia. Otherwise, you can just look through this and it really does a nice job of summarizing what the burn down chart is about. So the second tab is what I created, and I'm making some guesses as to what you would want to track. And in this case, I did something called total film length, and that may not be what you want to track. We can talk about that. So the way this sheet works is you type in here the weeks of your project. So let's say you have an 8-week project that's going to create 60 minutes of animation. And it says that's about 8 minutes a week. And then it creates this burn down chart, which is the idealized burn down, where you start with your 60, you end up with nothing 8 weeks out. And then the whole idea of this is on a weekly basis, you as the project manager would just enter the amount that your team does. So let's say they did 7 minutes the first week, and you can see this red bar appearing. Let's say they did 5 the second week. Now notice they're trending so that they're not going to finish on time, right? They're going to move the line out. The line should pierce here at 8, but now they're trending bad. If they continue to trend bad, at this point, you know there's 44 minutes to go, and in reality, they should have been down here on the chart. So if they pick up their pace and start going at, say, 9, notice how it begins to turn down. And now you say, well, we're trending well. And if I have a really good week and I can get below it, you can see we're going to finish early now. And so we take a break and we only have to do, let's say 5, and we're basically done. We finished ahead of time. Okay? So that's the idea. We can talk about it, but I wanted you to get a look at this. I think it's a great tool. I've used it really effectively to track a project. Once people see this trending away, they seem to really, really respond, get working harder, and you can see with one metric how you can get an idea how your project's doing. So let me know. I'm going to send you this link to this video and also a link to this Excel spreadsheet. Hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think.